guys, it's Angela Fong here and you're watching Knockout Fit. Today we're going to do one of the most common and popular yoga poses, very often used in pretty much every yoga class I've ever taken, and there's a lot of benefits to it, so there's a reason why they always do it. It's called the downward dog. Now to start on all fours, right here, you're going to curl your toes under and you're going to lift up. Try to keep your ankles on heels on the ground. Your arms are a little bit in front of you, directly below your shoulders, and what you do is you just let your head hang like this, and this would be the proper downward dog position. Now, a lot of yoga classes do this just in between, and it's really great stretch, and you feel it right away. That is a downward dog. My name is Angela Fong. You're watching Knockout Fit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, comment on it, let me know what you think, and I'll have new tips for you next week. Thank you.